Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just literally got back from stopping at Goodwill and the Goodwill Bins outlet store. And so I wanted to quickly just get it out of the way and show you what I got this week. I have been scoping out to get a couple things that are going to be a necessity for our travel back to the island of Puerto Rico. And I usually like to take things that are from here because first of all, they're very different. Chances are I'm gonna find it a lot cheaper here than it is out there because they do not have a lot of thrift store resale shops unless it's a higher end resale shop. Last time I was there, I only found one in the area of Ponce. Better for me to just take this stuff from here and take it there. So I'll jump right in, and then my daughter ended up hitting the jackpot at the bins with a couple things that she was so excited to find that I am going to be sharing with you right now. So if this is your first time watching, I would hope that you would stick around, hit that subscribe button, and click that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I have a brand new video. Many of you know that I have started this gray hair journey, so I have not colored my hair, and so this is all natural hair. I'm going through this kind of transformation more in the natural look today because I do not have any makeup. So I have finally, in my stage and age, have become more comfortable in being able to go out without makeup. Unlike when I was a lot younger, I had to make sure that I had makeup on every single day. But with that comes a lot of confidence, which is why I think now I'm feeling okay with going completely gray and just rocking it out, but taking care of it. That is going to be a whole other video, and if that's something that you would be interested in the future in my journey, please let me know in the comment section below. But we'll jump right into the video, and I hope you would stick around. I have been going out around a lot of my Goodwills in my local area, and I have been kind of disappointed because I've been finding a lot of increases on their prices, where before you could find, for example, a 4-piece nice glass set for maybe $1.99 to $2.99, which is now like $4 to $5, and items that were maybe $1 to $2 are now $7 or $6.99, $4.99. That's been kind of disappointing to me. With that being said, I'm just literally sticking to staying within the 75% off days, or if not, going out to the bins because I'm going to find them cheaper there. At the times that I went out, I ended up finding this gorgeous clock. Now this clock is a West clocks. It is a vintage clock, and it does have the winding portions in the back. I don't think it works, or I probably am just doing it all wrong. I do remember these. I am a 70s kid, so I do remember seeing this type of clocks being used before. I think it is absolutely cool because it is the old-fashioned one that the alarm clicks on. You just kind of bang it on the top. It is completely metal. I did briefly check around. These are from the 1940s, 1944 era type of clock. I got this one on regular price. This was listed for $2.99, and eBay is listing these types of clocks anywhere from $30 up to $85. And I thought it was so cool. It looked like somebody attempted to resell it for $10 on the back at one point. But I really love the look of this clock, and I think it's super cool. I'm gonna try to figure out if it indeed does end up working, because if it does work, no, that would be even more awesome. This is not Goodwill or the Goodwill bins, but I did go to Pennywise and I did see this, and I kind of showed Paloma this. I sent her a message. This cute little teapot is absolutely gorgeous. I ended up getting this for 50% off, so I think it was like $2.50. And this is enamelware. I haven't done any checkup on it. Oh no, I only paid $1.50. So this is from 1982. It's a Gilston Sutton made in Japan teapot. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just clean it up and list it for resale for someone to enjoy in the future. For the most part, I just resell my products through either Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp, and I always include Linda's Treasures in the hashtag so that you can find these items and hopefully be able to give it a brand new home. I did end up going to another Goodwill trying to find what I've been trying to find, and since it was 75% off day today on Monday, I did end up spotting these cutie pie canisters. Now these were 75% off. Receipt, hopefully I can read this right. So this one was $1.25, and I still have them in the bag because I literally just got home. This is the medium one. This one was listed regular price $3.99, and I got this one for $1. Smaller one here, this one was listed for $2.99, and I got this one for 75 cents. So they're super adorable, and I think that someone's going to be able to enjoy these. These are going to go up for resale for someone to enjoy. But I love these. I am still tempted to kind of keep these because I think those are so cute, especially in the springtime. They're adorable, and they're still fairly clean inside, at least for what I was able to check in. So they were still fairly clean, so it doesn't look like much use was given to these, but they're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give them a nice cleaning and either post them, and if all fails, I'm okay with staying with them because they're absolutely adorable, especially for the spring. To the bins, because I've been trying to find flat sheets blankets. Okay, so the reason why I'm trying to find those flat sheet blankets is because I'm gonna be using those to cover and protect the home, the major surfaces. When I travel to my vacation home, we like to make sure that we cover everything instead of using plastic, because plastic is not breathable. We're going to be using some flat sheets over everything and cover the couches, cover the main cooking area as far as like my countertops goes, the dishwasher, the washer and dryer, you get the gist. And of course, because it's going to be an item that I'm going to be using to cover and protect my furniture and things like that, I didn't want to spend a lot of money that I was on the hunt for. So I ended up finding, and some of these, I love vintage patterns, so you're going to see a lot of the vintage pattern. I ended up getting these for, I think these regular price were $3.99, so 50% off of that. So there's that pattern. This one is in a full size, a standard aqua polka dot one right there. I'm obsessed with vintage pillowcases. I fell in love with this pattern. I was trying to see if I could find another one, but I didn't. And I usually like to have my bedspreads are usually all white, and then I like to add a little pop of color. So I love that. There's something about vintage material that is so much softer, especially the bedspreads. Got this one here. I'm not sure if it's a large, a full, a king, queen, but for me, I'm not looking into that. I'm just looking at to be good enough to cover. But I think these are so cute that I would actually go to sleep, put this and sleep with them on. That type of a print. So I'm going to use this to cover my furniture and little areas in the Caribbean home that we have. This cute, adorable little Mickey Mouse, and it looks like, Minnie Mouse. It looks still in great condition. And this is a size 4T. This is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to wash. And I thought it was really cool because it's a short sleeve robe. And then the bottom has the little tassels right there. And it does still have the string on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, sometimes I have robes, and sometimes they're the terry cloth or the fleecy ones. And sometimes I just wanna go ahead and get something light over when I'm doing my makeup or something like that, or getting dressed. So this will be perfect. Normally my daughter will jump in to go ahead and say her portion of the haul, but she's taking a nap, so we'll go ahead and do this quickly. She's obsessed with My Little Pony, and she has several of the miniature My Little Ponies. So when she saw this, she thought it would be perfect to store all of her little ponies inside of it. She wants me to make sure that I clean this off because she's a neat freak. And so I'm gonna put this in the wash right quick, or just give it a nice hand wash so that she can be able to put her little ponies in there. That was regular price. It was a little more than what I wanted, $2.99, but she's a good kid. I did end up spotting this little Hatchimal thingamabob. So when it comes to things like this, I don't mind spending the money for her, and she is just as happy as if it was straight out of a box, honestly. And I have found decent items that are from the thrift stores that are still in good conditions, that she still plays with, that are less than $2. And I got this at the bins. This doesn't weigh much, so it's probably like $1 something, if anything, or under $1, honestly. A couple Hatchimals already on hand that she had before. Pulls them out and plays with this right now. She's excited for her little Hatchimal little house. Somebody did end up having this on their hands, and I was keeping an eye on it because I was hoping she was not going to take it. So I'm glad she didn't. And it was this gorgeous runner. I'm going to see if I can get it through here. I probably won't be able to, but look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Going to be perfect for our Caribbean home in the island. I mean, it's not super long, but it's like from my hands down here, a little close to my other elbow length. Pretty good in size when it comes to being a decent size carpet runner. So I think that'll be pretty good and still in great condition. So I can pass that up. Now, if you're not interested in books, then this will probably be the end of it. But if you are one of those people that you can appreciate vintage books, I'm going to share with you these books. I was really excited for these children vintage books, and I remember growing up with these types of books. My daughter is at the age where she enjoys people to read to her, and I enjoy reading her a bedtime story every single night. And a lot of her books that we do have here, we've already read them a couple times already. I didn't mind getting these books, and she was super excited. One of the books was this one. Is from Miss Whitfield. It's the Fire Drill. It's the First Star Easy Reader books, and I absolutely love this because, again, my daughter is going on 4, so she'll be starting preschool soon. Me reading these books and eventually her reading those back to me, I think it's going to be kind of cool to have her do that. Firefighters, unfortunately, have a special place in her heart because a few months ago, unfortunately, we had a vehicle fire kind of embedded in her head. So when she sees a fire truck or a fireman, she immediately remembers that. Danny and the Dinosaur, which is kind of cute. Level 1, Pizza for Sam, super cute that she is attracted to. Sophia the First, The Perfect Tea Party. She enjoys Sophia the First, so she's happy about that one. He's a Sleeping Beauty, the classic. Disney's Little Mermaid. Walt Disney's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Ended up finding Cinderella, DuckTales, Bambi Grows Up, Aladdin the Genie's Tale right here. Scholastic's books from the Care Bears Big Wish. Obviously, she was super excited to find the Disney's Little Mermaid book. Manzano, which translates to apple apple. Was really excited to find these. These are the 12 Days of Christmas, and I'm just going to use these to decorate the house with. And then everybody's favorite, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. This is a Christmas staple, and I love this. So I might just like open up one of these pages and just leave it open like this and just decorate around it because I think this is a classic. So I'm really excited to have found those there. This book actually caught my eye because it looks so vintage. I love it. And it's Rose and Bloom. Look at that. Look at the back cover. And then the inside, you can definitely tell it is old. Oh my gosh. Rose and Bloom. Isn't that so cool? I think that is so cool. So then that's that one. And then I think I have a couple more books. Let me see. Get them all out. This one is The Little Mermaid. Look and Find Little Mermaid. So obviously it's kind of like Where's Waldo type thing. Right here. So we got to find the Little Mermaid. Another Look and Find book. It was a Big Lots book. But it's Tinkerbell. And then the last book, there is one last book. The last book that we got is a mystery book because Jalisa, my daughter, saw this book and she said, this is for Daddy for Christmas. So I said, this is for Daddy for Christmas? I was like, she's like, this one. And she grabbed the book and she put it inside the shopping cart. Daddy's around the corner, so I can't share with that book with you, but hopefully he will see why she picked that out for him. So the basic things are necessities. The books, I know it's a lot of books, but you know what? I don't mind getting the books because it's something that's educational, that's going to be for her well-being, and educationally, that's, I don't mind that at all. What's that?
Christmas gift from my boss. I have no idea what this is.
A Christmas gift from your boss. I like that tray. Now, my husband ended up getting this cute little package here, and I'm just going to do the unboxing with you right here. Isn't this cute? Look at this in the mail. I love the tray. It's super heavy. The package right here. Let's see what's in here. So this is a gift of the finest. So this is Harry and David from our bakery. So this was a gift, I guess, from my husband's boss who sent them this for Christmas. I don't know what these are, but first things first is this cute little bun thing here. Oh, this is a cranberry orange loaf cake. Nice. Then we got this. This is a blueberry coffee cake. Oh, kind of cool for coffee. This is going to be terrible for the diet. I like these little things. We have, what is this? Oh, baklava. Oh, a cinnamon swirl. Gosh, look at that. Lord have mercy, I don't want to look at the carbs. A mini chocolate decadence. Mac nut cake. Funny name. We have this package here that isn't insulated. And see what's inside. What is this? What is this? A cheesecake? New York style cheesecake. Holy cannoli. This is the best part of the whole thing. Wow. A cheesecake. I don't know why I thought I could smell it through the plastic wrap, but yep, that's my husband's little gift unboxing, his Christmas package unboxing. That is all that we got today, and a little extra unboxing. If you enjoy videos like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for all of the new subscribers who have clicked in and joined the family. Make sure you stay active and leave me comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Are you guys going out of town this holiday season? Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are going out traveling this holiday season and where you guys are possibly thinking of traveling to. Are you traveling overseas? Are you staying home for the holidays? Are you going across the states, or maybe an hour away, or maybe just 15 minutes away to some family? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.